Here is another example for solving equation in different moduli. Here we are to find the value of the unknown x in this equation in mode 3. Solution. We write that 8x equals 10 mod 3. Here you realize that both 8, the value we have here, and 10, the value we have here, are not numbers we can have in mode 3. So here we will convert both 8 and 10 to a number we can have in mode 3. And how do we do that? To convert 8 to a number in mode 3, we divide by 3 and take the remainder. Now when we divide 8 by 3, that gives us 2, remainder 2. So that is my 8x here, same thing as having 2x equals, same thing goes for 10, divide 10 by 3, that gives us 3, remainder 1. So since modular arithmetic is same as remainder is meant, that is this 10 is equal to 1 in mode 3. Then from here we can solve on further by saying 2x equals, now here when we want to solve this normal simple equation, we have to divide both sides by 2. But we realize that 1 is not divisible by 2. So to change that, we have to add the mode 3 to this side. So we have 1 plus 3. And we have 2x equals 4. Why? Because this 4 is also the same thing as 1 in mode 3. When you divide 4 by 3, you have 1 remainder 1. So that means both 1 and 4 are still the same thing in mode 3. So from here, we can divide both sides by 2 since 4 is now divisible by 2 at this side. So 2 goes into 1, 2 goes into 1. We have x equals 2 goes into 1, 2 goes in 4, 2. 2 in mode 3. And that's how to solve the equation in mode 3. Thank you.